Should we do some emails?
Let's do it, my G.
Here we go. I keep getting, by the way, the Wolf Owl podcast email keeps getting bloody job offers. I don't know why. Not from
Really?
like actual listeners, just like random. Okay, this is from. You listening? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, what are you up to?
Just clearing out my own inbox because when you said about, it's just got loads.
What number is your inbox on?
11,448.
Wow.
What's yours on?
2,075.
Crazy. Isn't it? I'm at a point now where it's just it'll hit 1 million.
I had to for the first time sort out the memory on my iPhone the other day. And
Yeah, by the way, I've been upsold.
What a painstaking process that is.
Yeah, I've got this, and it's basically at the moment. I don't know what's happened because I thought it had the same memory as my old one, but I had to delete loads of photos and apps, and they haven't loaded up.
Yeah.
The little sneak that fucking sold me it was another fucking wanker in the long run.
As I said, as we logged in here, I was worried that we were going to have nothing to chat about, and it turns out my fears were correct. Okay, this is from Anonymous. Hi, Wolf, Owl, Cat and Swan. I love your podcast. It never ceases to put a smile on my face. I'm sending out an SOS. Oh, by the way, I listened back to an edit. I do read these emails too quickly.
Okay, cool. Slow down. Take your time.